So today we are going to be grilling tilapia fish and mackerel. We're going to grill. I've already cleaned and washed them, and yeah, remove the wings. So we go on now to prepare our sauce we're going to use to grill. So here we have chicken masala roast. That is you can use it, spice this up and enjoy. You can use it to make chicken, you can as well use it for the fish. Yes, so I have to be adding, this has a beautiful aroma. I'll be adding small in my oil. This is my cooking oil. So I'll go on and add some paprika powder. I add some pepper, white pepper. Then I add some ginger powder. So I mix well. I mix it well. I'll go on now to marinate. I'll marinate our fish. Just marinate it in a way that's going to go in. Okay, and I'll marinate also. So here I'll turn the other side to marinate very well, and go ahead to put some sauce inside the fish. So, and the second one, I marinate inside, put some sauce inside the fish to have wonderful taste, amazing taste. I go on with the tilapia, marinate the other side of it. Can pour it inside. See how I marinated these so that it's going to be sweet. Even if you didn't put anything, fish is always sweet, guys. It's always sweet. So now I may go on to use this to put it in a way. Let me know if you like this style. Yes, so people like using this style. I may put in some, put in some. So I put also here. See whether it can stay. It is very strong. It have not. Still have some eyes. Easy, so it's not going to, you're not going to pierce your hand. Second one. So I do this way. So this fish, you can use it after roasting it. You can eat it like that, or you can use it to use it for anything. So this, I'm not going to, this is going to be like this. So I'll go ahead now to go and add it in the oven. So this is, I'm going to turn it. Okay. So I'll add it back in oven to grill it for 10 minutes more.